Look at your bank account and then look at your daily calendar. If those two things don't match who you are, you're committed to a routine you learned at 7. In school, you were given the reasonable set of instructions to make the room work. They told you, sit down, shut up. And what do? You do as you're told. The problem is you took that dormancy into your adult life. Your automatic reflex isn't to fight, it's to bend the knee. I'm going to tell you a secret. The people who refuse to sit down and shut up are the ones who control the room. And they don't do it with rage, they do it with calculation, planning, and a precise understanding of exactly where they are standing inside the machine. I'm a businessman of over 60 years and an internationally published occultist. I have spent decades mapping a system to bypass the wasteful horizontal hard work. This system upgrades the human will. My system yields non-negotiable results. If you value your time and mine, and you are tired of bending the knee and want to change your posture, click the link in the description.